This is question number 22 for the practice final. In this question, we're going to solve for b. Notice that b is in the denominator. A way of clearing denominators, since we have an equal sign, this is very important, okay? With an equal sign, we can get rid of denominators by solving for the LCD, giving what's missing, okay? And then cancel, or then clear the bottom. Clear denom. Okay? So our LCD is pretty easy in this case because, well, we have 2, 3, and b. So we know that 2 and b are part of the first set because whatever the first fraction is, that is part of your LCD, guaranteed. The next fraction has a 3. Well, we don't have a 3, so we're going to say times 3. The third fraction is b. Well, we already have this b here, so we don't need this guy because he's already accounted for. That's our LCD, so our LCD is 6b. The reason I wrote it up as 2b3 is because of this. When we look at the original question, we're going to give what's missing. -1 missing equals 4 times missing plus 3 times missing. We're just going to give everybody what they need. So the first one is 2b. Well, we have 2b, and what we had to multiply that by is 3. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in that 3 and multiply it a little bit. Next one is 3. Well, we don't have 2b. The 4 has b, but is missing 6. And the last one is missing 6 and b, all of it. So at this point, we're going to process each of them. We first get 9 minus 2b equals 24 plus 18b. Right? Now I'm going to do two things here. I'm going to move my 2b and my 24 kind of at the same time because there's no reason to do a separate step just to show it. I'm going to say minus 24, clear that off, plus 2, clear that off. So long as we're doing it at the same, since we're doing it at the same time, it is okay. You don't have to do every single step one at a time. This is all the same step essentially. It's just addition and subtraction. So we end up over on this side is equal to 15. So we end up with negative 15. And over here we get 20b. If we divide by 20, we end up with negative 15 over 20. We can reduce this, of course. If we reduce them both by 5, we get 3 and 4. So negative 3/4 is equal to b.